Welcome to the comprehensive guide on tapping into rental income. Investing in rental properties offers a viable path to financial freedom. Rental income provides a consistent stream of passive income, supplementing your current earnings and fostering long-term wealth accumulation. Numerous individuals have achieved financial independence by investing in real estate. Beyond generating cash flow, rental properties also appreciate in value, thereby building equity over time. This appreciation not only enhances the property's value, but also serves as a leverageable asset for future investments. Additionally, rental properties provide tax advantages which further boost their profitability. Embarking on your journey as a landlord might initially seem challenging. However, this guide is crafted to provide you with essential knowledge and tools for success. By employing the right strategies and dedicating a reasonable effort, you can effectively unlock the potential of rental income and set the stage for substantial financial success. In Section 2, we dive into the different types of rental properties to help you discover your niche. The world of rental properties offers diverse options to suit your investment goals. Long-term rentals provide consistent income from tenants on year-long leases, offering stability and predictability. Vacation rentals cater to travelers seeking short-term stays, and platforms like Airbnb have made managing these rentals easier. These rentals can yield higher profits, but demand can fluctuate depending on the season and location. Flipping properties involves buying, renovating, and quickly reselling for a profit. This strategy requires market knowledge, renovation skills, and a keen eye for identifying undervalued properties. Choosing the right type of rental property depends on your risk tolerance, investment capital, and desired level of involvement. Each option presents unique opportunities and challenges. Carefully consider your resources, goals, and lifestyle to determine the best fit for your investment strategy. Moving on to Section 3, selecting the right property is crucial for rental success. Investing in the right property involves researching different neighborhoods to identify areas with high rental demand. Look for areas with low vacancy rates, good schools, and amenities that attract tenants. When evaluating a property, consider its condition, size, and layout. Ensure it meets safety standards and appeals to your target renters. Factor in potential renovation costs and ongoing maintenance expenses. Conduct a thorough financial analysis before purchasing any property. Calculate potential rental income based on comparable properties in the area. Factor in expenses like mortgage payments, property taxes, insurance, and maintenance costs. A well-chosen property lays the groundwork for a profitable rental business. Take your time, conduct due diligence, and make informed decisions to maximize your chances of success. In our final section, Mastering the Market, understanding the real estate market is essential for making informed investment decisions. Stay informed about market trends, interest rates, and local regulations that can impact your rental business. Utilize online resources, real estate agents, and property management companies to gather market data. Analyze rental rates, vacancy rates, and property values in your target area. This information will guide your investment strategy. Networking with other real estate investors provides valuable insights and support. Join local real estate investment groups, attend seminars, and engage with experienced investors to learn from their experiences. By keeping your finger on the pulse of the market, you can anticipate changes, adapt your strategies, and make savvy investment decisions that yield profitable returns. In Section 5, Financial Strategies, secure your investment. Sound financial management is the backbone of a successful rental business. To secure financing with favorable terms and interest rates, explore loan options specifically designed for investment properties. Develop a comprehensive budget that includes all expenses associated with owning and operating your rental. Account for mortgage payments, property taxes, insurance, maintenance, and potential vacancy periods. Set competitive rental rates that attract tenants while ensuring profitability. Research rental rates for comparable properties in the area and adjust your pricing based on market conditions and property features. By adopting prudent financial practices, you can safeguard your investment, maximize profitability, and build a sustainable rental business. Moving on to Section 6, Legalities and Tenant Relations, smooth sailing. Navigating legal requirements and maintaining positive tenant relations are crucial aspects of being a landlord. Familiarize yourself with local landlord-tenant laws that govern lease agreements, security deposits, and eviction procedures. Draft comprehensive lease agreements that clearly outline tenant responsibilities, payment terms, and property rules. Screen potential tenants carefully to ensure they are reliable and responsible. Maintain open communication with your tenants and promptly address any concerns or maintenance requests. Building a good rapport with your tenants fosters a positive rental experience for both parties. By understanding your legal obligations and fostering positive tenant relationships, you can create a harmonious rental environment and minimize potential conflicts or legal issues. In Section 7, Success Stories, inspiration for your journey. Countless individuals have achieved financial success through rental property investments. Their stories offer valuable insights and motivation for aspiring landlords. Take Sarah, a single mother who started with one rental property and gradually expanded her portfolio. She now enjoys financial security and a comfortable lifestyle thanks to her rental income. Then there's John, a retiree who invested in rental properties to supplement his pension. He now enjoys a steady stream of passive income and a fulfilling retirement. These success stories highlight the transformative power of rental income. With dedication, smart planning, and a bit of perseverance, you too can achieve your financial goals through real estate investing. Finally, Section 8 Conclusion. Take the leap into rental success. Investing in rental properties offers a path to financial freedom, but success requires careful planning and execution. Thoroughly research the market, choose properties wisely, and manage your finances effectively. Build positive tenant relationships and stay informed about legal requirements. Learn from experienced investors and seek professional advice when needed. Starting your rental property journey may seem daunting, but the rewards are worth the effort. With patience, persistence, and the right strategies, you can unlock the potential of rental income and create a brighter financial future.